The importance of realistic fitness goals.
Setting realistic fitness goals is crucial for lasting motivation. When you aim too high too quickly, it can lead to disappointment and burnout. By establishing achievable milestones, you allow yourself to celebrate progress and stay positive. This mindset helps you build healthy habits, making it much more likely that your fitness journey will continue over the long term.
Understanding your starting point.
First, we'd say, begins at a different place. Take time to honestly assess your current fitness level and lifestyle. Consider how much time you can dedicate, your experience with exercise. This self-awareness allows you to set goals that are both challenging and feasible, laying a solid foundation for steady progress.
Setting achievable and specific goals.
Clear, specific goals make success easier to track and celebrate. Instead of vague ambitions like get fit, try setting concrete targets such as walk 30 minutes daily or do 10 push-ups by the end of the month. Breaking bigger goals into smaller steps keeps you focused and helps maintain motivation as you check off each achievement.
Adjusting expectations over time.
Progress isn't always linear, and that's okay. Life changes, and so might your fitness needs or routines. Reevaluate your goals regularly, and don't hesitate to adjust them as circumstances shift. Recognizing and accepting setbacks as part of the process can keep you from losing motivation and help you stay committed for the long haul.
Celebrating progress and staying inspired.
Acknowledging your achievements, big or small, fuels long-term motivation. Celebrate milestones with rewards that support your healthy lifestyle, like new workout gear or a fun activity. Surround yourself with encouraging people or communities that share your fitness interests. Keeping your goals in perspective helps you stay positive and driven as you continue your journey.